Welcome, today I am with vivo V21 5G from the European distribution, and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on the display in this smartphone. When you take a look on the first, we can find here already installed protection. It's very thin foil. You can remove that protection or you can leave it. You can decide. I'm going to improve toughness of the display and I'm going to leave this foil and I'm going to apply glass on this foil. So at the first, we have to remember about two essential things. The first one about the quiet place, that no one on anything can distract us, and also about the good lighting condition, so we will be able to see a very mess that you have on your screen. In my case, everything is fine because I use my wipe and I cleaned the screen before recording this video. But if you have any fingerprints or greasy marks, you have to definitely get the good lighting condition. So when you open the box with the glass, we can find inside the glass, that's very obvious, and also the two wipes. We can find the wet and the dry. At the first we are going to wet to remove all of these greasy marks and the fingerprints, as I said before. So just open it. Sometimes this wet wipe is not wet, it comes dry, so we can use the window cleaner and soak with your cleaner, and you can start with cleaning your screen. So we have to reach all of the corners, edges, and when you easily get rid of all of this marks from your display, as you can see, like in my case, you can open the dry wipe. So we have to remove all of this wet marks after wet cleaning. So take a look how we can make it. Okay, and as you can see right now, we finally finished and our display looks really cool. And the last thing, we have to remember about remove the piece of the dust from the screen. So if you have any dust on the screen, you have to drag to the bottom, to the one direction. In my case, everything is fine. If you leave any kind of the dust on the screen, you will get air bubbles when you apply on it tempered glass. So right now we have to grab our tempered glass and we have to remove this sticker. When you make it, the sticker will follow with this foil, but sometimes this sticker is not follow with the foil, so we have to remove this foil manually with your fingernail and put it underneath this foil right here, like that. But in my case, everything is fine. So take a look, remove it, and then keep holding the bottom part, put it here, press with your finger in the middle, and then you have to also remember to put the glass evenly on the both edges. And then when you finish, you can also put the bottom part just like that. And take a look, it will go automatically. I'm going to remove this protective case because without this I'm unable to properly install the glass. Okay. And if you get any air bubbles, you have to drag them to the bottom. Take a look. With your fingernail, just press. The same for the edges. And take a look. That's very, very simple. Okay, and right now it's fine, but as you can see, we can find here some kind of the, let me catch focus, we can find glue marks. So how we can get rid of them? Take a look. We have to grab this dry wipe and we have to press, for example, where it was right here, and take a look. Press hard and it will disappear, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to do right now for the whole screen. Okay, so take a look right now. We easily get rid of all of these marks. Oh, maybe it's right here a little bit. Okay, and take a look. We finally apply glass on the display and the vivo V21 5G. And there's no any problem with the touch interaction, even when we have the two layers of the protection. We got foil and we got also tempered glass. So we don't have to be afraid of applying any glass on your screen in the smartphone because the display is really good. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.